pretty people, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious, and for today's video we are reviewing this beautiful wig from Amazon. So a vendor reached out to me via email and asked me if I can review their wig, so I said yes. So here we are. So this wig is a ombre two-tone lace frontal wig, cap size medium. I got it in a length 18 inches. I will say the length isn't right, and I noticed that lately about a lot of wigs that I've ordered. And it's not just Amazon. Like nowadays, if you buy the wig anywhere, buy the wigs anywhere already pre-made, the length isn't correct. Like they're measuring it from the cap to the length, but the cap gives the extra length. Like, do you understand what I'm saying? So the bundles that they use to create the wigs are probably a 16-inch or even a 14, and then the cap size gives it the rest of the length, and then they just call it what it is. But anyways, they claim that this is supposed to be 18-inch. I didn't like how short it is. It came straight, so I had to curl it and, you know, do a little updo, half up, half down, put some curls in the front, and boom. I'm not really a person to do like ombre or colored wigs in general. I just don't think like if it's my skin tone, if it's, you know, like I don't know. I'm always scared to try that stuff. But I decided to try this wig, and I'm actually not mad at it. It's not something I will absolutely wear all the time. I will say if I need like a huge change or like a dramatic look, then I will go for this. I will say it's kind of hard to, you know, put outfits together when you're wearing this wig also, and that's just my opinion. But I mean, everybody's a little bit different. Some people like slay it, you know, and maybe I'm just tripping and like this is a bomb wig. It is a bomb wig, but I don't know, like I'm still not really comfortable with the color, but I think it's cute. It's cute. If you love a little ombre two-tone, you know, blonde, brownish looking, you know what I'm saying, get you this wig. The link is going to be in my description box. And I know I've been MIA, you guys, but I've been on my other social media platforms. So if you haven't been following me on my TikTok or on my Facebook or on my Instagram, please go ahead and do so at the Abby-licious. And my Facebook page is going to be my actual name, which is Abigail Bent. So yeah, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And let's get into this tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm gonna start with some braids. I didn't redo them, so there's some old braids, whatever. And this is the wig. This is gonna be like a quick and easy install. Honestly, this doesn't even look like an 18-inch. I'm gonna use the stocking cap and I'm gonna cut it off. So we're gonna go ahead and use some stockings for our wig cap today. I found that it is easier to do. It lasts a few installs, so why not? So we're gonna adjust that to our heads, and then we're gonna just cut off the excess. Cut out our ear tabs just to let it lay flat, and then we're going to mold it down with some Got2b spray. Now we're gonna blow dry, blow dry, blow dry. And then we're gonna cut off the excess cap, and then I always just rolled it up top so we don't have to cut it off, so the back is still secured. And with this glue, I only did one layer because it was just a lot of glue, so I didn't need to use more than one layers. And then you are going to color the cap with whatever makeup that you have, something that is closer to your skin tone. And then after the glue is dry, then you're going to adjust the wig on your head accordingly. I like to add some makeup along the lace just to blend it a little bit better. I didn't really need it, but I just always do that as an extra step. So now I am just using a hot comb to lay the wig flat. You don't have to, but I just like my wig, you know, as flat as possible. Spray some more adhesive spray on the front just to give it a little extra And now we're gonna style. I didn't like the hair straight, so I decided to do like a half up, half down style, give it some curls, and voila, your girl is done looking like a baddie, baddie, yaddy, yaddy. But yeah, that is all. Love ya. And that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. Again, the link for this wig will be in my description box along with my social media handles as well. And if you want to link with me for business inquiries, go ahead and email me at my email, which will also be in my description box. That is all I have for this video. Love you. Bye.